Hello everyone. Donnie and I recently celebrated the blooming of many tulips, hyacinth, and daffodil that we planted in our garden. It was a 6-month journey, but definitely worth it. It all started in fall, in the first week of November, when the streets are beautifully decorated by autumn. Here, we are digging in the ground about a foot or so. Here, we are sieving the soil and separating large rocks, gravels, and pebbles. We are adding dark, fertile soil to the bottom. Now it's time for the flower bulbs: hyacinth, tulips, and daffodils. Here we are carefully planting them in the dark, fertile soil. We are covering the bulbs and dark soil with a regular soil. And here Donnie is watering them. And finally, we are covering them with black mulch. In December, we had a heavy snow. And also in January, we had another heavy snow. In February, the first sprouts showed up. They were daffodils. In mid-February, we had another snow that covered the sprouted flowers, but daffodils were strong. Later in February, we saw more sprouts, including many hyacinths and some teeny tiny sprouts of tulips. After a couple of weeks in March, an astronaut came to check how the flowers are doing. He even checked the pollens in daffodils. By mid-March, all daffodils and hyacinths were in full bloom, and we were happy. Two weeks later, in April, the first tulip buds appeared. And shortly after that, all of them bloomed too. And this time, an owl came and inspected the tulips. The owl was quite happy. This was a 6-month journey. We really enjoyed growing flowers in our garden. We hope you get a chance to do gardening too. See you next time with another activity.